Hello guys, today in this learning series we will talk about local area network LAN and the host name which can identify any device over the network infrastructure. So let us begin. So what is a LAN? A LAN can be described as something that covers a small geographical area that's small enough that the devices can be classed as being local to each other. So, in the local area network LAN infrastructure, the devices can be connected through the LAN cable or they can be connected to each other as a wireless device. So, that is WLAN. We will discuss this WLAN feature in another session. Now, moving towards the another term, that is host name. So for identifying devices on a local area network, we have to use the host name. You can see in the command prompt, we can type the command host name and it will give you the name of the device. So you can see the host name after opening the system properties, and here you can see the full computer name is tech terms, that is host name of this device. You can also change the host name as per the servers or device functionality and click on apply and OK, it will get changed. So basically we use the host name as an unique identifier for identifying a device over the network. So guys, thank you for watching this video and I hope you must have found this video very useful. If you do have any queries, please put in the comments and I will respond to those. So let's meet in the next video session and see you there. Goodbye, take care.